Hi everyone. Today I will be talking about creating HTML tables using advanced ETL process. But before I do that, can I ask you to like and subscribe to our channel? That will help us a lot. Thank you. Our objective is to create HTML table which look like this. It allows to source the data, filter it, and you can even export the data into various formats. Let's start from creating new transformation. We don't need the validator, so we just delete it. Our source is going to be Excel file. We just select it. This file is called customers. Okay. Let's do some formatting. Okay, next step is to set writer properties. So our connection name is target text file. It's UTF-8 format. Fix it. No end of lines, that's very important. Set it to override. Say that the file name is table.html. Okay. Scope field row. So what we need to do now, we need to do the mapping. So double click on transformer. So just move it around. So we will be using a transformation function called encode XML element. So we use td tags. For every field we have, just standard HTML tag for table. rearrange slightly so it is easier. Like that. Another one. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to combine all of it together. Use concatenate function for it. The last field. And we need to surround it using here tag. Map it to row field. Okay, this one is done. It's all implemented nicely. And the last step which we need to do, we need to add footer and the header to the table. This can be easily done by using text editor. I have already prepared this data. Just copy and paste it. This is header. This is our footer. As you can see, it is using a little bit of JavaScript as well. So we just paste it. And we are ready to run it. Let's run it. Okay, all done. Just refresh data. We have a table. And if we open it in browser, as you can see, here's our table. Thank you for watching. As you can see, advanced ETL processor allows you to create very complex transformations with ease. If you have any questions, please visit our forum. We are always happy to assist you. Thank you for watching. Bye.